I bet you've been there as well. You're doing a very nice presentation in Canva, and then you're missing just one item you want to place in here. You found the perfect item, but it doesn't kind of match in the style of the other elements, right? And you lost a lot of time already just searching for it. Canva has now made our lives easier because now you can change the style of these element based on any other element you already found or you have in your presentation. To do that, you just have to select the element you would like to copy the style of. Come here to style. You see, this is like copy basic style, but that's not what it's going to do. Unfortunately, this is only for the pro users of Canva. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can test it for 30 days for free. Just go to the link in my profile and you can do that. So now let's see how it works. You just click here, copy art style from that element. And then now you just click on the element you want to copy the style. So it will be easier for you to match some of the elements in the presentation. You won't lose a lot of time searching. As you can see, it takes a while for Canva to do that, but the result is quite awesome, right? I think now we have something that can go with this presentation. Let's now see some different examples and another place in which you can find some style references. So I've separated here some very cool elements and we can now turn them into their different styles. But what I'm going to show to you first is let's select this heart. And now we're going to find, instead of copying from another element the style, we just can say, I like this element here, but I want to change its style a bit. So you just go to edit now and you see this style match. Click on see all, and here you can choose, if you know already what kind of heart you want, what kind of style you're using in your design, you can kind of just select from any of these and it will match. Let's say we need something lo-fi, okay? Then you just click here and you're gonna wait a bit just to have Canva does its magic. And there you go, you have your heart in a totally different style. You can go and play with that. I've already did, so let me show how nice is that, right? From one element, we are kind of creating it in a totally different style, like marble or gold, or this is even watercolor, scrapbook. So you see, sometimes when you find an element now, don't be frustrated that it doesn't match with your design. If you know the kind of style you want, just go there as I showed you on edit, and then you search for the style in style match. But just in case you don't know the name exactly, or you just found, like in this presentation, a style you were already like aiming for, you can copy that. Now we are going to test Canva together, okay? I think this is kind of hard. I'm not sure this is going to work, but let's give it a try. So I'm selecting this and I wanted this style in this watercolor cat. So now I'm just going to copy art style and paste it here in the cat. Hey, it kind of looks nice. And it did copy the style. It already has some of the same strokes and the colors are different. I really like it. Okay, we can test one more. Let's make it difficult for Canva. Let's go for maybe this Y2K in this flower. Not sure. Let's try. I kind of like it. You see, now it's not a problem for you to match a style of an element in your designs. I hope that this was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if you knew you could do this in Canva. And feel free to tell me what else you would like to see more here. See you in the next video.